In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wishlist on Google Play Store. A wishlist is a handy way to save apps, games, movies, and books you're interested in so you can come back to them later. It keeps everything in one place without downloading or purchasing right away. I'll show you exactly how to add items to your wish list on an Android phone or tablet and then how to find that list whenever you need it. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. From the main screen, use the search bar to look for the app, game, book, or movie you have in mind, or browse and open the items page directly. Once you're on the items page, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes labeled More. Tap that icon to open the options menu. In the menu that appears, tap Add to Wishlist. That's it. The item is now saved, and there's nothing else you need to do for it to appear on your wish list. If you want to double check that it's saved, or you'd like to view everything you've added, here's how to find your wish list. Open the Google Play Store again if you've closed it. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon. From the menu, tap Library. Inside your library, tap Wishlist. You'll now see a list of everything you've saved. This is a great place to compare options, watch for discounts, or decide what to install or purchase when you're ready. A few useful tips to keep in mind as you use your wish list. You can add different types of content, including apps, games, movies, and books. So it's a versatile place to keep track of all kinds of digital items. Adding something to your wish list does not download or buy it automatically, which makes it perfect for planning and budgeting. If you change your mind about an item, you can remove it anytime from the same three-dot menu on that item's page. And if you ever want a fresh start, you can clear everything from your wish list in the settings. That's all you need to manage a wish list on the Google Play Store. Open the store, find what you like, use the three dots to add it to your wish list, and visit your library's wish list section to see it later. It's simple, organized, and helps you keep track of what matters to you. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.